the heavy losses which the firm has to absorb this year are almost enough to exhaust its resources. The firm has had a series of poor years. Do you know the causes of these successive losses? The firm itself gives several reasons. Among them are the steady rise in cost and higher taxes. What is the basis for your appeal to have your state taxes reduced? I am sorry to lose your services, but as I have already said, you have my best wishes for your success. I shall always be happy to receive news of your doings. Our pipes are nicely boxed, and we know it will pay you to put some of them in your showcases or in your windows. We have to make a small charge for the boxes, but the pipes sell much faster when you show them in the boxes. The Times successfully appeals each year for money for needy cases, and it raises a large sum for the purposes of charity. Aid is as necessary this year as in the past. I think the charges for these posters are excessive, and I wish to satisfy myself of the necessity for the high fees paid to the artist. If you insist, we shall pay the fees ourselves, but the artists themselves think the charges are low for this type of job.